Hello everyone from Cloud Connect. Today we will be showing you how to create an instance from AWS console and to connect it using SSH via Windows system and Linux system. So for doing that we will need to log into AWS console. So to do that, type in the browser aws.amazon.com/console and hit the sign in button. Before sign in, you need to sign up. So I will be showing that in different video. So let's today focus on what we are doing. So this is our AWS console. The very first thing we need to do is switch to US East North Virginia. Please make sure that we are in this region because this is the region where all the service work perfectly well. So to do that, now let's begin to create an instance. First go to EC2, the compute. Hit this button, EC2. Click on the running instance. You can see that there are 0 running instance and nothing at all. Here you can see the launch instance. We will be clicking that. And remember, we will be using the T2 Micro, the free tier. Now let's begin. Type Ubuntu. There are all the versions are free, mostly 18.04, 16.04, but we will be taking 20.04, the latest one. Select it. See the general purpose T2 Micro. This one is the only free hardware part we can access. It is having virtual CPU as 1 GB of memory, and let's click on configure. Skip this part, I will be making you understand it later on. Now go to next, add storage. By default it will give you a general purpose SSD, which is enough if you are not doing any production grade thing. Now next, add tags. How to add the tag? The key should be like name. We can give it as a name, and the value will be the instance name. Like this is my very first instance, so I will be typing it first instance, or we can write it as Cloud Connect. Okay, let's connect to it. Make sure there are many places where they don't accept spaces, so we can give underscore as an alternative. Next, hit tag. Now we need to create security group. Security group is something, it is acting as an path to connect from your local machine to your instance. So to do that we need to give a name. Security group name would be like Cloud Connect, and the protocol would be like SSH. Here see the source of my IP is anywhere, and I can use my IP. So let's check if my IP is this or not. My IP 103.242.197.105 to 197.105. See, it's the same. So I can name it as my laptop. Let's do the review and launch. The things which you have configured here you can see at a glance. If you want to change anything, we can change it by clicking on the edit. Now let's go and launch it. So now, before doing into the launch, to make a connection between our local machine and our instance, we need a key pair which will act as a secure connection. To do that we need to create a key for that. So to do that we will create a new key pair and name it as Cloud Connect, and we will download the key pair. Okay, sorry for that, this key already exists. So let's make it as CloudCon The key has been downloaded. So let's launch the instance. Okay, so it has notified you that your instance are now launching. So we can go to the instant console and check whether it's launched or not. So we can see that it's pending, but we can do the refresh manually. We can also check the instance state, like at what stage it is right now. See, get instance screenshot. It will show me that my instance is currently at which stage. See, it's running. If I go to instance setting and click on screenshot, see, it's ready to log in. As we have seen that our instance is already running, so let's connect it. We'll be using Ubuntu 20.04 as a subsystem for Linux. It works exactly the same way the traditional Ubuntu works. So let's sudo we need to go to the directory where we have kept our PEM file, cd desktop AWS tutorial. Let's see if it's there. Yeah, it's there. So what we need to do is chmod 400 cloudcon.pem. Okay, it has changed the permission. So now we can do is SSH to this instance. To do that, we need to use a command like SSH -i our cloudcon.pem. The username of our instance is ubuntu @ and we'll be using the public IP of that instance, not our personal public IP. This is the public IP of the instance, so we just need to hit this icon. It will copy the public IP and paste it here and just hit enter. See, it is asking is this you or not, so we have clicked the yes. Fine. See, we are already connected. Ubuntu 172.31.68.93. we are inside that instance. How to verify? See, the private IP of that instance 172.31.68.93. we can verify it from here. So let's run some basic commands like what we can do. Let's clear it first. Let's stop, see the process is working fine or not. Yeah, it's working fine. So let's see if it can make a directory or not. mkdir cloud cloud connect cd cloud connect. Okay, let's make any file here. Touch file1.txt. let's enter ls. See, the file is there. Now let us try connecting using the Windows system. How to do that? To do that, we need one software named as putty. To have a putty, you need to just hit putty in your browser and hit enter. See, the putty.org is the website address. We can hit enter it here and you can download putty over here. Just click it, it will download. I already have the putty, so I will not be downloading it. Once downloaded, what you need to do is go to putty-gen at first. What you need to do is, putty works on PPK, not on PEM file. To do that, we need to save it as a private key. So we need to load it first. Load our PEM file. Our PEM file is in desktop AWS tutorial. Let all files come. cloudcon.pem. Open. Okay. Save as a private key. Okay. We'll name it as same name, cloud cloudcon. cloudcon and hit save. See, cloudcon.ppk. Let's close it. Now we need to open Putty. The Putty app is here. The first thing before connection we need to do is we need to go to auth, expand this auth. Okay, no need to expand, just a browse button. Browse, we need to browse to the ppk key. See, we just need to hit the open button, open, done. Now we need to go to our data. You remember we have put username at the rate our IP, so we can put our Ubuntu as a username over here, and let's go to session. We need our public IP. For instance, the public IP, the same way we need to hit this copy clipboard button and just paste it over here, and the port number is 22, which we have mentioned in our security group. So we just need to hit open. See, the putty came. The same message that we got on our Ubuntu subsystem is the same thing. We just need to hit yes using username Ubuntu, same. See, we just need to clear it. Let's see, is there any file or not. ls, see, the Cloud Connect, the same file which we have made through our Linux subsystem. So let's see if these are interconnected or not. cd Cloud Connect, enter, ls, yeah, the file is there. So we can do is touch file2.txt and hit enter. Let's see, this file is there on our Linux subsystem or not. ls, fine. Now to exit it, just press Ctrl D. It will log out from there. Let's see if it's same from Putty or not. Putty have also log out. So this is for today only. We will be doing much more thing on the later videos. So for now, what we need to do is we will create this instances. So now we can just stop it. Don't terminate, because we will be doing something more on this instance. So you can just stop it right now, and let's wait for the next video. Thank you everyone. Let's try to connect using our Linux.